machine-YZ1000SS sanding and deburring machine. It is composed of 2 sets of wide sand belts and 4 universal sand rolling brushes. The sand belt grinds the surface of the workpiece and has the function of removing solid slag, burr and oxide scale, while increasing the surface finish of the workpiece. The universal sand rolling brush grinds the inside and outside edges of the workpiece without dead angle and has the function of snowflake wire drawing and rounding. These 2 functions can be enabled separately according to the processing requirements. Measure the thickness of the sheet before processing. In the software interface, click Table 0 Return, follow the prompt window, click OK and enter the thickness of the sheet, then click Run. The tabletop will drop in height, and the default drop height will be reduced by 0.01 mm compared to the thickness of the board. Open and run the 2 sets of sand belts, rotation, the spindle rotation and the conveyor belt in sequence, then processing ready. Insert the workpiece according to the instructions in the magnetic suction area. Magnetic materials can be directly adsorbed, while non-magnetic materials need activate negative pressure adsorption function. Maximum processing width 1000 mm, maximum processing height 60 mm. According to processing requirements, parameter adjustments can be made in the software interface to achieve the desired processing effect. This is the polishing effect of turning on the sanding function separately. If you want a finer and denser hairline drawing, you can replace the sanding belt with different mesh sizes. This is the polishing effect of turning on the sand rolling brush function separately. Even the internal contour is chamfered. This is the processing effect where both functions are fully activated. The slag and oxide skin have been completely removed, and the surface of the workpiece has become smooth. With the snowflake wire drawing effect, the contour has also been evenly rounded. machine-YZ1000SS sanding and deburring machine can process various materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, galvanized sheet, aluminum, copper, and other metal workpieces.